In this graph, or in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bar graph using Google Sheets. And so the first thing that you need to do is highlight the column of information that you want to be graphing. In my example here, I only have one column. If you had more than one column, you would just select the one that you are interested in. So I'm going to select column A and I'm going to drag down and I'm going to highlight all of the information that I wanted to graph, like that. And then I'm going to go Insert and go to Chart. Google Sheets is going to pick the graph that it thinks matches the data the best. So in this case, it picked a bar graph, which is great because that's what I wanted. Sometimes, though, the labels that it uses for the vertical or horizontal axis or the title that it gives are not as great as they could be. And so we can edit those. So I'm going to change this bottom one. I'm just going to change it to favorite professional sport. So I just double click it and I can change that, or I can type it over here. And then on the vertical axis, I'm just going to call this number of people. And then those have been changed. And then again, I don't love this title, so I'm going to double click the title and I'm going to write favorite sport of grade 5 students. Actually, favorite professional sport. And then my graph is finished. I'm going to take that question mark off of there. So I just double click that again and I can delete the question mark. You can now copy and paste this into whatever you need. So for your infographic, you could copy and paste it in, or you could screenshot it and paste it in. You can also change the scale and things like that. This one looks pretty good to me, but if you did want to do that, just ask us and we can help you with that. But this is basically how you can use Google Sheets to create a bar graph of your data.